One of India's nuclear power plants, the Kudankulam plant in Tamil Nadu, has been attacked by malware.
Personal data of these patients, of these celebrities, of these politicians is being hacked by the China is what we are breaking.
Cyber attacks.
India witnessed 18 million cyber attacks in the first quarter of 2022. And trust me, that's huge. In the past 5 years, several Indian organizations got impacted with major cyber attacks. Based on geopolitical tensions with countries like China and Pakistan, India also suffered cyber attacks on its public infrastructure, such as healthcare, energy, power, oil, payment system, etc. In this video, I'll talk about all the major initiatives, technologies, and programs of Indian government to mitigate the rising cyber attacks. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe as it will help us grow. First, Cybersecurity Kendra. You see, with the growing number of mobile devices in India, hackers find easy way to build their army of bots by compromising the mobile devices and then launching an attack on any website in the world. This is called denial of service attack. In such attack, the target website is actually overwhelmed with huge number of fake traffic, and as a result, the genuine users will not be served, and hence it is called denial of service. Now, Cybersecurity Kendra is an initiative by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to remove the bots from citizens' devices. Now the question is, how does it work? It's very simple. You just have to visit csk.gov.in. You will find dozens of CSK certified bot removal softwares. Most of these softwares currently support Windows and Android devices. Number 2, it's certain. It is called Indian Computer Emergency Response Team. Now almost every country has a similar kind of response team. Now, CERTAIN is a national agency responsible for reporting cyber attacks, coordination with different agencies, and issuing guidelines. In the last 5 years, they got highly active in vulnerability notes and conducting cybersecurity exercises and drills. Number 3 is Cybercrime Coordination Center. I personally feel it is a revolutionary initiative to deal with cybercrime in India. And government has allocated a budget of 4.1 billion in INR. But how exactly government is planning to use this budget? Well, there are multiple sub-schemes, such as National Cybercrime Threat Analytics Unit to develop threat intelligence analytics and reports. National Cybercrime Reporting for cybercrime reporting with special focus on women and children. Cybercrime Volunteers. Under this program, anyone having security experience can work with the local police department, and if you are interested, you can find the link in the description as well. Platform for Joint Cybercrime Investigation Team. The purpose is to drive intelligence-led coordination actions against key cybercrime threats. National Cybercrime Forensic Laboratory. They are a center to support investigation process. National Cybercrime Training Center to run cloud-based training and cyber range for advanced simulations as well. Cybercrime Ecosystem Management Unit. The purpose would be to develop ecosystem that brings together academy, industry, and government to spread awareness about cybercrime. National Cybercrime Research and Innovation Center. The purpose is to track the emerging technology development and to leverage the strength and expertise of all the stakeholders. Number 4, security of critical information infrastructure. In the past, India has experienced cyber attack on their electric grid supply from China-backed hacking group. But let's first talk about critical information infrastructure, or CII. What is CII? Now, CII is the IT resources of mission critical industries such as military, healthcare, energy, transportation, telecommunication, and banking. You can easily guess if something happened to any of these industries, it directly impact the government system. Now let's talk about what actions has been taken to secure our critical information infrastructure. Adoption of SOC. Critical infrastructure organizations have partnered with the local managed security service provider for 24/7 security operations. National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center. Now, this is an initiative. This was built as a national nodal agency to facilitate the protection of critical information infrastructure from any kind of cyber attacks. Now, this agency helps the organizations with incident reporting, vulnerability disclosures, and malware reporting. Now, today, NPCI-based UPI platform is the backbone of Indian financial system. I made a dedicated video on security of UPI system. You can check that later. Number 5 is Data Security Council of India, DSCI. DSCI is not for profit industry body on data protection in India, set up by NASSCOM. DSCI runs several programs, conferences and security awareness, wherein they cover corporate security awareness programs, annual security conferences, and several awards. They are also involved in policy advocacy, wherein they do policy enablement and privacy law. They also help the startups and cybersecurity enterprises with product development, wherein they are involved in security product innovations. They also have a product forum where everyone share their ideas. They also run thought leadership programs, wherein they share studies, surveys, and they also share publications on cybercrime and forensics. In year 2020, DSCI proposed National Cybersecurity Strategy, wherein they focused on large-scale digitization of public services, supply chain security, critical information infrastructure protection, digital payments, state-level cybersecurity, security of small and mid-sized businesses. Number 6 is ecosystem of cybersecurity startups. Since the year 2020, the number of Indian cybersecurity startups has grown from 175 in 2018 to 225. They have also registered double revenue of over $1 billion. According to Data Security Council of India, 24% of Make in India startups have expanded globally, thanks to Startup India schemes that changed the Indian startup ecosystem completely. Number 7, cybersecurity workforce. As per the PwC report, 41% of organizations in India predicted double-digit growth in their cyber budget. This is the clear indication of huge demand in all types of cybersecurity professionals, from ethical hackers to SOC analysts, to security architects, to CISO, Chief Security Information Officer. Cybersecurity professionals also get better paycheck. These are some of the most common jobs and their salaries. If you are a complete beginner and want to get started in cybersecurity, then watch this video. Alright, so I tried to cover all major government initiatives, programs, industry bodies, and some other points as well. Now I want to hear from you. What do you feel about cyber defense of India? Share me your thoughts in the comment section below. You can also click the bell icon to get notified first.